Okay, this is just like a stupid video. Me and my niece are bored. Cyan again, as you can tell. Okay, so apparently, Cyan, I dare you to eat a banana like really, 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 really amazingly fast. Can you do it?
No, go banana.
Hurry up. Okay,
Go banana.
you monkey kid. Eat it. Do it fast.
Oh, I like pink.
No.
Okay.
Just like.
Oh.
We got a Pepsi here too if you need something to drink after it. I don't know though.
Got some blue.
Do you not like bananas?
I like bananas.
Why would you tell me to dare you to eat it then? I would have never dared you if I knew you didn't like bananas. Go spit it out. I guess she didn't like bananas. I don't know.
Oh, kiss me.
No, I'd rather not. Sorry, what was that thing that you're doing again? I kiss. We'll see.
I kissed the girl. She farted. Tastes like pickles and berries.
'Cause she is very stupid. And I don't know what this video is supposed to be about. It's just supposed to be stupid. And I don't really know.
Is it playing?
Look at, yeah. Look at. Look at shit. Yeah. Pretty awesome. This girl right here. That's my niece. That's
But
me.
she's not going to be in this video.
Well, obviously.
Which means I'm on YouTube too, that I'm singing operator.
Yeah, she's singing operator in a YouTube video, I guess. She likes to look at herself too. Yeah, I don't really know what to talk about. So, I think I'm just gonna go. I don't know though. I think this video is really pointless. Look at myself though. Plus thing. Can you get out the way?
Can I have a mint? Just one? Go away. Just one? Go away, Snake. I have all of them? Okay.
Okay then. Yeah, it's kind of dumb. Anything else you want to say?
I don't like all of them.
Anything else you want to say before we shut this sucker down?
I got something to say. Snake, I said get out of here.
This is really dumb. It's just you guys arguing. Okay.
Don't.
Alright.
Hey, make a video, me and Snake.
Bye.